Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might be looking to move your Avalanche, AVAX, tokens from Revolut to Gemini for better security or trading options. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this quickly and safely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Revolut account with some AVAX in it and a Gemini account that's fully verified. If you haven't verified your Gemini account yet, do that now because it's crucial for security reasons. This whole process should only take a few minutes, but always double-check your details to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Log into your Revolut app or website. Navigate to your crypto section, find your Avalanche tokens, and select the option to withdraw or transfer them. You'll see a field to enter the recipient's address. That's where Gemini comes in. Step 2. Head over to your Gemini account. Go to the deposit section and select Avalanche, AVAX. Gemini will provide you with a unique wallet address. Copy that carefully. Pro tip. Double-check the address to prevent any irreversible mistakes, as crypto transfers are final. Step 3. Back in Revolut, paste the Gemini wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of AVAX you want to transfer. Remember to account for any network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Once you're ready, hit confirm and authorize the transaction with your Revolut security PIN or biometrics. Now, step 4. Wait for the transfer to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your Gemini account to confirm the AVAX has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, contact support for both platforms. A quick word of advice. Always use this method on a secure network, enable two-factor authentication everywhere, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, stay updated on any new rules that might affect transfers. There you have it. That's how you transfer Avalanche from Revolut to Gemini. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.